Hello and welcome to this tutorial. In today's video, we'll walk you through how to set up a catalog on WhatsApp Business, step by step. Whether you're a small business owner, an online seller, or offering services, the catalog feature helps you display your products and services in a clean, organized, and accessible way, right inside WhatsApp. Let's get started. First, open your WhatsApp Business app on your phone. If you don't have it yet, you can download it for free from the Google Play Store. Make sure you're logged into your business account. Once you're in the app, tap Tools at the bottom of the screen. Here, you'll see several business-specific features, like greeting messages, quick replies, and most importantly, Catalog. Now tap on Catalog this. This is where you'll manage and display your products or services. If it's your first time, you'll see an option that says Add New Item. Tap Add New Item, then follow these steps. Tap on the image icon to upload up to 10 photos of your product or service. Use clear high-resolution images to make it visually appealing. Remember, photos are the first thing customers see. Next, 1. Name. Enter the name of your product or service. 2. Price optional. Add the price. If it varies, you can leave it blank. 3. Description. Write a short, clear description. Keep it simple and informative. After entering all the details, tap Save in the top right corner. Repeat this process to add more items to your catalog. Once saved, the products will be visible in your catalog and shareable in chat. To share an item during a chat, open a chat with a customer. Tap the attachment icon. Select Catalog. Choose the item you want to share and send it. This makes your selling process smooth and professional. And that's it. That's how you set up and use a product catalog on WhatsApp Business to professionally showcase what you offer, right where your customers already spend their time. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more digital business tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.